Hey guys, in this short, quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to publish your video or any of your projects for that matter onto the Padlet. So let's get started. You're going to have to open the project you want to share, let it load, and you're going to, depending on the type of project, you can either share it as a link or download it. So I'm going to show you how to share it as a link. So you are going to publish the link. You're going to copy it once it's published. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the Padlet, and you can find the Padlet either on the project that you've been working on. It's always going to be at the end where on any of the slides that I create. So the link will be there. And once you open the link, you go onto the Padlet and you click on the plus button, or if there's no plus button, you just double click. And if depending on the type of Padlet, it'll open up a box like this. And you're going to name it. So you're going to put your name on it. And then either you're going to, if it's a link, the way that I just have saved it as a link, published it, you're just going to click on the little link button and you're going to paste. You're going to save it. Maybe you're going to write a few things depending on what the instructions are. And then you take your mouse and you click off of it and it's going to be published. So that's how you do that. There's nothing more that you need to do once you've copied the link and either pasted it or upload it. That's it. So can't wait to see what you create.